Hello friends, welcome to Let Me Excel. Today I'm going to share very simple tip in Microsoft Excel. Assume that you have multiple Excel files open and if you want to close all of them at once. So what do? In earlier version of Excel we used to go to file, then there used to be an option of exit, and if you clicked on that all the files would close and even Excel program would terminate. But it is not possible in the latest version of Excel. So what is the solution? Hold shift key and close. Okay. Then want to save your changes to book one. So just say don't save. Okay. Don't save. Don't save. Or if you want to save for all, you can save for all. Since I don't want to save, I'm clicking don't save. So all the Excel files are gone now. This is so simple. So this was the tip for this week. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.